Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, I got a new work from home job opportunity for you. The company name is Eureka Fax. They are currently looking for work from home phone interviewers. All right. Now, this is a part-time work from home job, and it says you actually be working anywhere from 20 to 28 hours a week, maybe 29. I don't know, 28 or 29 hours a week. You will be working Monday through Saturday. So yes, you will have to, work on a Saturday, but it is what it is. You're getting that money though, right? All right. So with this, there's no real experience needed from what I've seen, other than, you have to, you have to be able to talk to people on the phone. You need to be able to have a clear voice. You need to have that professionalism, right? You need to be able to, hello, hi, I'm Earl. I'm calling from Eureka Fax. See how clear that was, right? If you can speak clear and you comfortable doing that, this could be for you. All right, this could be for you. Now, when it comes to the pay, I'm not sure exactly because I couldn't find how much people make, but I'm assuming anywhere from $12 to $15 an hour, I'm guessing, you would get for doing this type of work. Once again, you probably need a quiet, now ain't no damn probably, you're gonna need a quiet background. You can't have, a lot of noise. You can't have the TV on. You can't have the dogs barking. You can't have the kids crying. So if you feel comfortable with all that and you want to apply, you feel like you could do this, I'll put a link below. You could apply right now to Eureka Fax. And while you're waiting for that work from home job opportunity to come through and you want to earn some extra money, easy extra money, you need to watch this video right here and start earning some extra cash today.